Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. So I'm going to be showing you this cute little gift bag which I've created using the striped treat bags by Stampin Up. So as you can see, this is an unopened pack. You get loads. They are food safe, so they're perfect to put little chocolates in, fudge, anything that you might be cooking over festive season. So I'm not going to be sharing you the decorated as such. I'm just going to show you how to make these bags into a 3D bag. So let's move everything out of the way. I'm going to bring in my trimmer, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the edge at the 1 inch mark and just score it like so, all the way around. And on this side I'm going to bring it over here. And score it again. So you're just scoring on the 3 sides, like so, as you can see, the score marks. So you can make it slightly smaller if you wanted. I just did 1 inch because it was easier for me. And I'm just going to make sure all them folds are nice and crisp. Like so. So if we open this up now and put your hand in, you can push down on the bottom and it should crease inwards like so. Find the score line and just give it a pinch. You kind of want to be as delicate as possible. Because you don't want to crease the bag too much. Just play with it a little bit. So that it wants to fall in on itself. There you can see we've got the start of a box happening. So you'll notice that we have the flaps at the bottom, which I just press it down like so. Because what's going to happen with these is we're going to tuck them under like so. And there we have our bag. So for the sake of the video, I'm just going to use some now adhesive. I would recommend you using liquid glue. Just going to put that on the bottom, and what I do just to make sure it sticks is put some blocks in there just to weight it down, and you can confirm that it's all stuck there. Like so. So there you have the bag, and all you're going to do is fold it over like so and decorate it how you please. This bag does not want to cooperate. Definitely use liquid glue because it works a hell of a lot better. The blocks in there. So there you go. Let me know what you think. This is how I decorated it using some new dies that will be coming out exclusively for November. Aren't they pretty? There you go. I used the largest one just to fold over the top, and I used the gold thread just to secure it in place. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, while you're here, please like, subscribe and comment, give the video a thumbs up, and why not click the bell to be notified whenever I post a video. The full list of products used in this project are going to be listed below, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you around. Bye.